You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French pronunciation, how to pronounce it. This is from the verb vouloir. It's the second person. How do you pronounce that? French pronunciation? Veux. Veux. The X is silent and EU form the sound that is very French, E. Veux, as in tu veux, meaning you want. Veux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.